Hi everyone, so welcome back to my YouTube channel again. Thank you for watching this vlog. So for today's videos, we will able to discuss about the chapter 7 lesson 1 entitled Millennials Understanding the Generation. So without further ado, so let's start the video. So now let us identify who are those millennials. Based on what I've heard that millennials generally refers to the generation of people born between early 1980s and 1990s, but according to the Merriam-Webster dictionary that some people also include children born in the early 20s. And some of the values that I've heard in this millennial generation is they can be difficult to understand whether what do they want, what do they value, and what do they need as a person. So now let us know better about their characteristic. From that is we can easily identify and learn somehow in this topic. So according to them that millennial generation nowadays is they have the negative side and positive side. So let's just focus on the negative side first. So according to them is they've been described as lazy, narcissistic, and prone to jump from job to job, and also they are considered as more civically and politically and less concerned about helping the larger community. And while the positive side of being a millennial is they are generally regarded as being more open-minded and more supportive of gay rights, especially the LGBT rights and equal rights for minorities. And the other positive adjectives to describe them, it includes those they have also the confident, the self-expressive, liberal, upbeat, and receptive to new ideas and ways of living. So after we identify the characteristic of being a millennial person is we should know that millennials have different preferences that their baby boomer predecessors, and they want more social interactions and team collaboration in the workplace, and lastly is they're motivated more by cost marketing and less by monetary reward. So now let us move on to the next topic in which it deals with the 5 things that you should probably understand this millennials generation. So first we have the millennials seek for information and feedback. So in this situation, I could say that they value teamwork in order to resolve difficult problems. So from that, they can build a good opportunity for the team to exchange ideas and will come up with creative ways of doing things. So second is millennials aren't all about the money. So it's all about how they sacrifice in earning money. I know that groups have been called lazy and entitled, but the truth is millennials respect authority, but they respect it most when it is earned. So therefore, just give millennials someone worth respecting to work for, and everyone will win. So third one is they give millennials the full package. So we all know that millennials are early adopters of new ideas wherein they want a brand that can quickly adapt to the rapidly evolving wants and also their needs. So and more importantly, one that will unleash their desires for convenience. So the fourth one is get confide. So millennials like to work in a warm and collaborative environment. So because millennials aren't just lobbying for these things like healthy work-life balances and also passion-driven careers. So they are also changing the way we view professional attire and refining the idea of what business casual for men and also for women, wherein they are capable to work if they have a warm and collaborative environment. And lastly, we have the millennials are very driven by technology. So we all know that they are digital native, in which they were born in the era of smartphones and they are used to through multiple devices. So therefore, the innovation of technology applies that the younger know. Before we will end this video these are the things that I mentioned earlier, that millennials have different motivations. They want to grow, to make an impact, to be social, and to make a real difference. And they want consistent feedback and a strong mentorship program. And lastly, they look for a strong benefit package that incorporates a comfortable and flexible work environment. And that would be all. Thank you for listening.